On this video, we're going to take a look at this barn door kit that you can use to hang a door or even a mirror. Yes, we have a secret room. Stay tuned for the whole video. So that door, that's a mirror, but that's actually a door that's got a master bathroom behind it. Right here, this was bought on Amazon, and that is a sliding barn door kit. Now what I did is I actually attached it to a mirror that basically matched the decor. This kit is actually quite easy to install. Now the one that I bought, actually, I've bought two. The first one is an entire frame, one piece. And then this one was cheaper, but as you can see, it comes in two pieces. And that's a little problematic because you have to worry about making sure that both of them are actually straight. So when this is on the floor, it's gliding pretty perfectly, right? Now, one tip for you, if you want your door to slowly close automatically, which we didn't because we're also using this as a mirror, for example, see? It's nice and smooth, right? If you wanted to have this close automatically, what you would do is you would just raise this a little higher for you, okay? Very easy to install it. You have these support pegs that are essentially moving the frame out away. This is your stopper. You have this on both sides and it's adjustable. There's use an Allen key at the very top. You loosen this up and then you can have this back. So what this does is it acts as a stopper. So if I swing this over, you see that? It stops it. And then there's one on this side as well. And then these are nice little rubbery pieces, so that way it's not gonna damage. Now in my case, I have these wooden planks. In your case, you probably, if you're just using drywall, you gotta make sure you have a stud behind. If you don't have a stud, you will need to cut out a piece and install a small stud, 2x4. I know it sounds difficult, but honestly, it's not. You could hire a person, but then that's going to defeat the point of you installing this kit yourself. Look for some videos on how to cut open a drywall. You really just need to grab a serrated saw that you buy for $7 on Home Depot. Cut a little hole where you know you're going to be mounting them. You just need to make sure that you have wood underneath here, so this is actually holding up because you don't want the door to fall on you. And this kit actually moves up. You can see, so this I can lift up, you see, and I can take this off very easily, right? Because that's basically all it is. And on the back of here, you can see that those are connected to here. Of course, if you have a door, it's gonna be a little easier than the way I did it, but it works for me. And again, but look how nice that looks, right? A secret door. So yeah, so I highly recommend this. This look is beautiful. It goes with everything. And well, we have a sliding mirror or entrance to this bathroom here, right? So this is basically the bathroom in here, and that's yes, that is actually a TV, a working TV that I built in. These faucets, you can everything I bought in here is from Amazon except for the mirror. And then I built this niche here, so those have LED lights underneath, and you can change the colors and everything. And then this is a Bessie 16-inch shower. Well, I love this shower. This used to be a 10x10, but I swapped it out. And yeah, quite happy with the way everything turned out, but this video is not about that. It's about this. So thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you guys think.